Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English channel.
Hello, I'm Mark.
And I'm Anna. Today, we'll talk about learning English.
Yes, many people want to speak English better, but sometimes it feels difficult.
Don't worry, we'll share our experiences and some tips. Let's start.
Are you ready?
Let's go.
Anna, why did you start learning English?
Hmm. I started because I love traveling. English helps me talk to people everywhere.
That's true. English is very useful when you travel.
Yes. And you, Mark? Why do you learn English?
For my job, I work with people from other countries, and English is the common language.
Good reason. Also, watching movies and listening to music in English is fun.
Oh, yes, I like watching movies in English with subtitles. It helps a lot.
But sometimes learning English is not easy, right?
Yes, sometimes I forget new words quickly.
Me too. Vocabulary is hard.
Grammar is also difficult. I always confuse do and does.
Haha, yes. But practice helps.
I agree. Practice every day, even for 10 minutes, makes a difference.
That's right. Small steps are better than nothing. How do you practice English, Mark?
I listen to English podcasts when I walk.
That's smart. I watch YouTube videos and repeat the sentences.
Oh, shadowing practice. That's good.
Yes, it helps with pronunciation.
I also talk to myself in English sometimes.
Haha, me too. It sounds funny, but it really helps.
True. Speaking out loud builds confidence.
Exactly. Don't be shy. Speak, speak, speak. What's your favorite way to learn English?
I like songs. When I sing English songs, I learn new words.
That's a great idea. I like English movies and TV shows.
Which one is your favorite?
Friends. It's so funny and easy to understand.
Oh, yes. Friends is perfect for English learners.
You can also read subtitles and learn pronunciation.
Anna, do you have some tips for our viewers?
Sure. First, don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
Second, listen to English every day, even short videos or songs.
Third, speak as much as you can, even alone.
And finally, enjoy it. If you have fun, you learn faster.
Great tips. I agree with all of them.
Sometimes we feel tired or lazy to study. What can we do then?
I think it's good to remember why we started.
Yes. Remember your goal. Travel, job, friends, movies.
Also, study a little every day instead of a lot once a week.
Good advice. Small steps lead to big results.
Exactly. Don't give up. You are doing great.
So, Mark, what do you like to do in your free time?
Hmm. I like listening to music and watching movies in English. It helps me learn.
Oh, that's nice. What kind of movies do you watch?
Mostly comedies and action movies. They're fun and easy to understand.
I prefer romantic movies. They use a lot of everyday English.
That's true. Maybe we can watch one together and practice.
Good idea.
Anna, are you free this weekend?
I think so. Why?
There's an English conversation club on Saturday. We can go together.
That sounds great. What time does it start?
At 10 in the morning, at the city library.
Perfect. Let's meet there. This cafe is really nice. The music is relaxing.
Yes, I like the atmosphere here. It's a good place to talk and practice English.
Right. By the way, how long have you been learning English?
About 2 years. And you?
I started last year, but I study every day.
Wow, that's great. No wonder your English is so good.
Thank you. Practice helps a lot.
Sometimes I find grammar difficult.
Me too. But I try to focus on speaking first.
That's smart. Speaking helps me remember words better.
Yes, and watching English videos also helps.
I agree. Maybe we can make a list of things that help us learn faster.
Great idea. Let's do that. Okay, let's plan. How many days do you study each week?
Maybe 4 days. But I want to study more.
Same here. Let's try 5 days, 30 minutes each day.
That sounds possible. We can text each other to stay motivated.
Deal. We'll be English masters soon.
Haha, I like that attitude.
Mark, have you ever been to an English-speaking country?
No, not yet. But I really want to go to the UK one day.
Me too. I want to visit London.
I'd love to see Big Ben and try British food.
Fish and chips.
Exactly. Maybe one day we'll go together.
That would be amazing.
The weather is so nice today.
Yes, sunny, but not too hot. Perfect for a walk.
I like walking and talking in English. It feels more natural.
True. Real conversations help more than studying alone.
And it's fun too. I don't even feel like I'm studying.
That's the best way to learn. Today was a great day. We spoke English almost all day.
Yes, I feel more confident now.
Me too. Let's keep doing this every week.
Deal. Next time, let's talk about travel phrases or job interviews.
Sounds good. Step by step, we'll get fluent.
Exactly. See you soon, Anna.
See you, Mark. You know, Mark, practice really helps. I try to speak English every day.
That's great. Who do you practice with?
Sometimes with my friends online, and sometimes I just talk to myself.
Haha, I do that too. I describe what I'm doing, like I'm cooking, I'm cleaning.
Yes. It's funny, but it really helps your brain remember.
Yesterday I said in the bus instead of on the bus.
Oh, yes. Small mistakes like that happen to everyone.
English prepositions are so tricky.
I know. But when you make a mistake and correct it, you never forget.
That's true. Now I'll always remember, on the bus.
Exactly.
Sometimes I feel tired and don't want to study.
Me too. But I try to watch English videos or songs when I'm tired.
Oh, that's a good idea. It's learning but still relaxing.
Yes, and it keeps you in contact with the language.
I'll try that tonight. Maybe an English movie with subtitles.
Mark, do you think you'll ever teach English one day?
Hmm, maybe. That would be amazing.
You're already good at explaining things.
Thanks, Anna. And maybe you can be my first student.
Haha. Or maybe we'll both become teachers together.
Deal my one day, teacher Mark and teacher Anna.
You know, I'm really happy we met in this English class.
Me too. It's easier to learn when you have a friend to study with.
Yes, it makes it more fun and less stressful.
True, we learn, we talk, and we laugh. That's perfect learning.
Exactly. Learning with joy.
Well, Anna, I think we practiced a lot today.
Yes, we did. Time went by so fast.
That's how you know it was fun.
Let's meet again next week and talk only in English.
I'm ready. And maybe next time we can practice with a new topic, like travel or jobs.
Great idea. See you soon, Mark.
See you, Anna. Keep learning.